Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Oracle Cloud applications on Linux, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by preparing your Linux environment for the installation. Ensure your system meets the Oracle Cloud applications requirements. Update your operating system packages to the latest version. Open the terminal and execute the command to update. Install any necessary dependencies for Oracle Cloud applications. You can typically install these via your package manager. Download the Oracle Cloud Applications installation package from the Oracle website. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the installation package. Extract the installation files using the appropriate command. Change to the extracted directory to prepare for installation. Run the installation script provided in the package. Follow the prompts in the terminal to configure your installation. You will need to specify your Oracle Cloud credentials during this process. Make sure to configure the networking settings as required. Once the initial configuration is complete, validate the installation components. Check for any missing prerequisites and resolve them. After validation, proceed with the final installation steps. Monitor the installation process for any errors or warnings. Once the installation completes, verify the installation logs for accuracy. Start the Oracle Cloud Applications service using the designated command. Confirm that the application is running by visiting the specified URL. Perform a test login to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the official Oracle documentation for troubleshooting. Finally, familiarize yourself with the application interface and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.